Introduction. Hey, connect to World Pals. Today, let's explore the term hesitate. It's not just about pausing. There's more to this word. Let's navigate through the intricacies of indecision. Meaning. So, hesitate refers to the act of pausing or delaying in making a decision or taking action. It's a momentary uncertainty or reluctance, often stemming from doubt or apprehension. Usage. Imagine feeling the urge to hesitate when faced with a challenging choice, or witnessing someone hesitating before expressing their thoughts. Examples. Think of the hesitation that can accompany important decisions in life, or the hesitation to speak up in a group setting. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's hesitate. A term that captures the essence of uncertainty, right? Different uses. Ever heard of hesitation marks? They are punctuation marks used to indicate a pause or hesitation in speech. Conclusion. If the concept of hesitate resonates with your experiences, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more contemplative word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.